This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below. Morning guys, December 31st, 2018. Probably the last job for this year. Probably going to be my last job for this year. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon type of thing. I'm headed over to, she says she got a problem with a tub valve. She pulls the lever up and it doesn't go up to the shower. So it must be a lift spout that's bad on it. So hopefully I got what I need in the truck, because everybody's closed now, I believe, after 12 o'clock. But a lot of places will close down, so should be out of luck if I don't have the parts in the truck. New Year's Eve, December 31st.
Turn right on Clifford Road.
Try to get you some shots. Great. You said there is a closet behind this thing?
Yeah.
Just in case. Probably gonna have to open it up. Is there anything in the closet?
My husband's clothes, but I can.
I don't know if I can even get it off. Oh, here it goes. Never mind, ma'am, I got it.
You got it.
Yeah. Yeah, we might be okay.
Yeah, but not because the water's hard, because this happens quite a bit. The last couple of times my husband's done it, but...
I think I did the one down on your first floor. Look at it, it's kind of really corroded.
Did you?
I did.
Downstairs? Yeah?
Yeah, I think so. I remember coming here.
Yeah.
Did you do the
I know,
one?
I remember you being here, but
Did you do the one on the first floor recently?
No, because we don't even use that shower, but...
I
you
think
might
I
have
did.
come because we were only getting hot water in the...
I think I changed. I think maybe. I thought I changed that thing. If I remember, when I pulled up, I thought, oh,
Yeah.
I was here a couple of years ago, and I thought I did that, but maybe not.
Yeah, no, maybe. I don't know.
I got a good memory, but it's short. Oh, I think you're gonna get lucky here today.
Why?
Because it looks like it's gonna fit on there without any problems.
That's good.
That's called getting lucky.
Good. I need that starting 2019.
Make sure it don't leak on the inside. It looks good though. Okay?
Perfect, thank you.
So, it's as good as it's gonna get. Sometimes them other ones you can just unscrew that on the new style. This thing was kind of really corroded. Oh, I know you love Daddy. You love Daddy. I know you do. Yeah, you're a cutie pie. You are one cutie pie. Yeah, you're a cutie pie.